Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Can't you see? It's not me. It's not my family. Zombie, Scarlet Witch. Let's go. Okay, so we have here from Earth 2149, or the zombie verse where zombie outbreak ruled the MCU, and their main zombie is the zombie Scarlet Witch. Okay, this particular product is from Marvel Heroclix WizKids. It's a pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, an exclusive figure, and it's Zombie Scarlet Witch from the Disney Plus show. Okay, so this is for 14 years old and up, and this product was released 2024. Wow, I can't believe it's been a couple of years since this product has been released, but we're only opening it now 2026 because this one was hard to get by before, which is usually the case for exclusive figures, but as time goes by they tend to become cheaper and of course more accessible to everyone. I had to wait, not because I did not have funds, which is partially true, but because this particular Scarlet Witch does not have an X-Men keyword. Okay, so and my primary collection is X-Men, so I can what you call afford to wait it out a little. Okay, and you can see the figure here in her full glory as a zombie. Let's pop her out. I actually have a couple of zombie figures as well, the zombie unicorn and the zombie shark. So this will definitely be a good addition to the zombie verse collection of my Heroclix. Okay, so this particular zombie does not really capture the Scarlet Witch features, but I guess that's what happens when you get zombified. Okay, so you can see the scope and the dial here are pristine, like it's out of the box just now, which is true. And let's open and let's take a look at the card. The card is for Zombie Scarlet Witch MVD 24004. She has the Mystic Steam ability, and her keywords are Avengers, Monster, Mystical, and Zombie Horde. Okay, which again, I'm always looking for a Scarlet Witch with the X-Men keyword. Maybe because the X-Men have not been introduced to the MCU, that's why this does not have that keyword. A bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. She has a trait, Undead Hunger. When Zombie Scarlet Witch KOs an opposing character, after resolutions, heal her one click. If that character had a point value greater than 50, heal her 3 clicks instead. Okay, so which is really powerful, especially because if you look at her dial, for 80 points, he does have a high attack value throughout her dial. So that would mean there's a good chance that even if you damage her, she will be able to heal up, meaning attack back and heal up possibly 1 or 3 clicks. Okay. She also has a second trait, which is Baba Yaga. When Zombie Scarlet Witch hits a single target with a range attack after resolutions, place the hit target character adjacent to her and she may make a close attack. Ooh, so it's like she does 2 attack for that particular damage character. Okay, hit character, not necessarily damage. Okay, so she starts off with running shot 5 range, so that means she can move 4 squares and then shoot from 5 squares away, effectively giving her a 9 square reach. And from there you can place the hit character adjacent to make a follow-up close attack, and possibly your other characters will be able to attack that pulled character. Okay, The effects are, by the way, awesome on this, although the face and the hair not so much. And finally, she has a special damage power trapped in the basement. Okay, that's actually what happened in the show. We're in, I think, was it Black Panther? Okay, I think it's Black Panther who's trying to hide her. I can't recall. Please comment on the please comment what really happened if you know. My memory does not serve me correctly at this time. So the trap in the basement special defense power says super senses, and at the end of your turn, generate up to 4 blocking terrain markers within range in squares not adjacent to each other. At the beginning of your next turn, remove them. Okay, so I wonder why it's not adjacent to each other. So maybe that represents the 4 corners of the basement. Real name is Wanda Maximoff. First appearance is What If, Season 1, Episode 5, 2021. Okay, I think she's okay. 80 points for 9 clicks. Running shot, as I said, with precision strike and probability control with a special defense power. Would have been better if that defense power is tied with a stop click. Okay, so but she does not have any reducer. I guess that's what also the side effect of being a zombie. You lose all defense. You're a little fragile. But I don't know, maybe put a destroyer armor for this particular zombie scarlet witch, and you are good to go. Okay, but what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you have this in your collection? Are you planning on getting this as zombie in your hand?